Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the Pong Game into the soccer project. So the first thing you do is you go to the Pong Game, and then what you want to do is scroll up, and so pretend like the ball set animation and the ball scale isn't there and it's only var ball create sprite. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to right here into sprites. You want to drag out sprite animation into there, and then you could go on animation, and you could choose any animation you want. And if you want to add a new one, you could press new animation. You could draw your own uploaded image, or you can choose one from one of these, and there's a lot of categories. So what I did was, for the ball, I chose a diamond, so that's why you see a diamond right here. And then the next thing we did it for was the player paddle, and right here you could see the animation of a girl, and that's right here too. And then the next animation is the crowned creature, and that's the computer paddle. So that's how you change it into that. But then if you want to go even more into it, if you do the if loop and you go to control and drag out the if loop, if you write key went down and then write K, so what that does is when you press K, it makes your player kick it, and then the way you do is the same thing. You write player paddle, that's the animation, and then you go to animation and get an animation of the player kicking it. So right here you can see the girl is kicking here and the girl is not kicking here. Okay, and then that's what you do. But then when you do that, you might notice that when you press K, it just stays there. But the way you fix that is you write another, below the if loop, you write another if loop, and you write if key went up, and K, and then you write player paddle set animation, and then just set it to the normal animation. So when you do it, when you press K, it'll just kick for that time you press it and how long you press it. And then the way there's sound in it, so when you press space, you can hear the sound of it hitting the sprite and then the wall, and if it goes past the thing, you can see the trombone effect. So the way you do that is you go to right below, like anywhere, so like above the serve, if you want, you can write if ball is touching computer paddle, or and then the two lines, and if ball is touching player paddle. You go to world, and then you drag out play sound, and then what you want to do is you're going to want to delete everything that's in here, and then what will happen is, let me show you. So I'll show you choose, and then you can choose anything you want, and you can make your own sound. So you can record an audio, you can record an audio, or you can upload a file. So that's it, and then you press choose after that. I'm just going to put back my thing. Okay, and then you do that, and then for it touching that, you could scroll down and see that when the ball is touching the top edge or the bottom edge of the screen, like here or here, I made a sound, the same thing. So you just write any sound you want, and then I did ball dot bounce off top edge and ball dot bounce off bottom edge. And the reason you do that is because you might notice when it goes to the top edge, you can hear the sound, but when it goes to the bottom edge, you can't. So that's why you do that. And then next, what you want to do is, for it going past the screen or past 400, you want another sound. And you could just write it right inside the if loop, or you could just drag it out and just put it right inside the if loop. And you can do another sound effect and reset run, and then that's how you get your project into the soccer project. Pong to soccer. And you could see if I press K right here, it'll kick the ball. And if it goes past, you can hear the sound effect. So that's all, and thank you. Goodbye.